A quick video showing the heater core for the 1963 Rambler American. I'll show you the measurements and a bit of info on what happened. So this is the original heater core, to the best of my knowledge. As you can see, it is brass, which is 100 times better, infinitely better than the modern aluminum versions that they have for sale out there. I just washed, cleaned it out a bit. And it says there, it looks like it's got a date of manufacture there. March 6, 1958 or 68, so it might have been replaced in 68. Try to zoom in there again. Yeah, it looks like, or 63, March 6, 1963. That makes sense. This is the original. That proves it's the original heater core. And unfortunately what's happening is it's leaking as the engine gets hotter. It was leaking previously, and as you can see, it's still in really good shape, but there is a leak somewhere. As you can see, in the past they tried putting a bit of silicone RTV gasket to try to contain the leak, and it is what I'll probably do today again. What was happening is the leak is flooding the car, and it's fogging up the windows as well, because what happens is the coolant, it's liquid when it's under pressure. When it loses pressure, it vaporizes. So for every PSI, it works kind of against itself, and that's why coolant is much better than water as a coolant liquid. Ethylene glycol, actually. So as the pressure increases, it tends to become more liquid, and it lowers the pressure. So as pressure increases, the temperature sort of decreases at a certain point, obviously. So that's why it's dangerous to open the cap. So when you open the cap, it depressurizes the system, and then it vaporizes. All that liquid turns into a vapor. So that's what's happening here. As the coolant leaks out, it vaporizes it, and it fogs up the windows and the windshield, and it becomes difficult to see. So that's why it's important to fix this problem. Fortunately, the heater box is external, and it only takes a few minutes to remove it. So it shouldn't be too hard. At this point, I'll just give you the dimensions here. So it's 10 inches wide, excluding the bracket, by 8. So 10 by 8 inches, and the thickness is 2-inch wide, and the holes are 6.5 inch apart on center, and 7 inches on the outer diameter, and about just a little under 6 inches on the inner diameter. 5 3/4 there. Alright, so that's that. I'm going to try to put some more polyurethane to try to contain that leak, at least until I am able to figure out something better, maybe a replacement or a repair.